Well, we're just out for a little family walk. Weather's nice enough. It's not freezing yet, so take the dogs out, wear Jonathan out. It'll be great fun.
Yeah, we live in hope.
It'll be good just to get away, just to have a break from work. Like I said, it's not too cold, is it?
No, it's nice. Just start to change the weather now, isn't it?
Leaves are falling off the trees.
Yeah, the
Best time of the
colours are
It's
lovely now.
winter
They're
now.
starting to change. A bit of orange, a bit of yellow.
No, it's winter because this morning when I woke up, I looked out my window, and the tree where I look out my window, it was like it only had a couple of leaves on,
Did
and
it?
then
It's autumn.
and then the rest of the leaves were off. Like
Autumn.
there was no leaves. No, it's not autumn yet.
Well, just we've gone a little walk around, so we'll show you a bit while walking around. So we're just on our little walk now, and we're just on the path coming down. It used to be the old railway line, didn't it?
Yeah, it's now the voie vert.
Yeah. And it runs from Paris to...
Well, it goes Bordeaux to Paris. It's the main road. It follows the N12, so it's just like the main motorway that goes around the chateau as well.
Yeah. But it's a fantastic walk. It's right by the chateau as well. And we just do like a little loop around. But it's just so nice and peaceful, isn't it?
Well, there's no cars,
Yeah.
no motorbikes, and a few pedal bikes, but
Yeah. But it's always
It's
relatively quiet, isn't it?
lovely, and we can let the dogs off.
In the summer it gets a
I was
little
going to say, coming down here in the summer, it's
Yeah.
like there's just people after people because it is
Yeah.
such a lovely walk.
Yeah.
And you've got to bear in mind that we are in the middle of a national park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of Normandy Main National Park, so it's everywhere you go, you've got beautiful like this.
Yeah. So, but
I mean, today is quite cloudy, but still
still quite warm, isn't
perfect
it?
for walking, isn't it?
Just about to go into November and
Yeah,
it's
I
still
know,
good
yeah.
15 degrees. So
A couple of days from November,
Yeah.
and it's fantastic.
So it's good. But we'll show you a little bit while walking down as well.
Yeah, it is nice.
It is. It is.
Come on, Louis.
So we're just going, we came out for a walk to go to Bigfoot Forest, and we're just walking to the Bigfoot Forest over there where all of them trees are.
We'll see if we can find Bigfoot.
See if we can find Bigfoot, but I know it's not going to be there because
He is.
last time we went with Tony, he wasn't there.
He'll be there now. We brought some Snickers for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, put traps out and then we catch him.
I heard Bigfoot that he likes Snickers. Somebody told me.
No, miss out the S. And then Knickers.
Right, we're going in Bigfoot Forest then.
So where are we now, Jonathan?
We're at Bigfoot Forest now. It's very, very, very dark and black in there.
I'm sure I just seen something
If
on
you're
the
very
cross.
quiet, you might hear
I
them.
heard something moving as well.
Let's go and see.
Let's go and see.
Have a look.
I'm
No,
gonna,
no,
I'm
no.
gonna climb up the hill. Are you gonna help me?
I'm gonna... No, because I'll show you the way, like, up the hill.
Show us the way.
If we go down there, then we come up the side.
Oh, that's cheating.
Are we,
We're going straight
No,
up
let's
here,
go
aren't
this
we?
way. We'll have to go up this. Up where the dirt is, all of us. Oh, you little cheater, Grandma. It's very hot.
oh, Ash is going. Are you going?
Ah, help me!
Oh, here we go.
Put your hands up. Oh.
Go on, Grandad, push.
Go on.
Go and push it.
Oh.
Wheelbarrow, go on, up you go. Now reach up.
Hey!
Go on, Grandad.
I'm coming. Might take a while.
You need the
You need to put your fingers down.
No.
back up, grab all the grandad.
Hey.
And then get up!
I don't think Nana's coming. 2, 3, go, 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 go.
Hey.
So we're in Bigfoot Forest now.
Which way are we going?
I think we're going. Well, left. The only way I've been is just up there where that trees and the moon.
Well, I think we should go this way.
Patrick's coming to save you. What was that? Yeah. Oh. Did you hear it? Quick, run, run, run! Quick, quick, quick! Quick, 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 run! Quick!
Run!
Where is he?
He's up there.
Where? Quick! I think we better get out here.
Yeah?
Oh, let's get out quick!
Get up!
Come on, Tasha!
Search a bit longer.
Oh, I don't know, I think he's getting angry.
So we just came out of Bigfoot Forest. We heard Bigfoot and then we saw him.
We did, didn't we?
Yeah, I was wondering where Ash was, but then I couldn't see him, and I was like, there he is. See,
Well, luckily we're all okay.
yeah,
We're alive.
Yeah, but I don't know where Patrick's gone.
Sasha was very scared,
Patrick's there.
wasn't she?
he just went behind there.
Ah, is he okay?
Yeah, he's behind
Did he eat his Snicker?
Did you leave him a Snicker? Or did you leave him your knickers?
my knickers.
You ate his Snicker.
I had a Snicker and I left him a knicker. I left him some knickers and
We'll carry on with our walk anyway.
yeah.
It looks better.
Louis.
Lulu.
That's it now. We've had the rain. It's getting to the rain for the day. So we're going to go tonight. It's not cloudy and the road's back in the box. Let me in there though.
Get a little bit of it.
No nibbling, no nibbling. So don't nibble, you cheeky pup. Good boy. There you go. That's not to make all that noise, do you? Yeah.
So we've just got back from our walk from Bigfoot Forest, haven't we?
You want it?
Good? Good.
Yeah, it's good to get out in the fresh air.
Yeah, Jonathan's just gone in, he was a bit scared from seeing Bigfoot.
Yeah, and we all heard him a bit as well, so I don't know what was.
It was good fun. It's only a little walk, but it's a nice hour. A nice hour's distraction, isn't it? And it's,
It's
Yeah.
nice to get away from it.
It always seems longer when you've got Louis in tow, literally.
yeah.
Yeah, in his little cart, bless him.
He loves it.
But no, it's all good. But I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much. And
See you Sunday.
yep, see you Sunday.
See you Sunday.
Soon be here.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.